Hey there, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to view accounts you follow in Snapchat and guide you through each simple step. Step 1. First, pick up your phone and open the Snapchat app. Make sure you're signed in to the account where your chat history, friends, and followers are stored. Step 2. Now that you're in, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a menu. Tap on the Stories section. This is where you usually see your friends and public stories. Step 3. Next, shift your eyes to the top right corner. You'll notice a small 3 dots icon. Tap on that. This button opens up more options for managing your Snapchat experience. Step 4. From the menu that appears, look for the option that says Manage Accounts I Follow. It might be a little down the list, so scroll if you need to, and then give it a tap. Step 5. And there you have it. You'll now be able to see all the accounts you follow in Snapchat right in one place. This is super helpful if you want to manage your feed, unfollow someone, or just check your following list. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.